Hi everyone! This is a quick tutorial on how to access digital magazines and newspapers using PressReader through the Santa Clarita Public Library. Start on the Santa Clarita Public Library's website and navigate to the Digital Magazines section using the eLibrary menu. Once at the Digital Magazines page, you will find options like Flipster and PressReader. Click on PressReader to begin. Here, you can access thousands of digital newspapers and magazines from around the world. To sign in, select Library or Group, then search for Santa Clarita Public Library or your local library. Enter your library card's barcode and your PIN to log in. Remember, your PIN is the last four of your telephone number. Once we're logged in, we'll see the welcome screen and we can begin to start reading. Once logged in, you can browse categories, search for specific magazine titles, or explore the latest issues. Users can read directly in their browser or access content through their mobile app. Here you can find featured magazines and newspapers, top U.S. political stories, and their full catalog, where you can browse through newspapers, magazines, or even puzzles. If you would prefer to browse by category, continue to scroll and you can find topics such as animals and pets and sports. If you continue to scroll down, you can see the thumbnails for some magazines and newspapers. We'll just click into one to start reading. Once it opens up, you can choose to listen to the magazine or to flip through the pages like an e-reader. Digital magazine platforms like PressReader provide convenient access to current publications and support digital literacy by making reliable information easily available. Thank you so much, and I hope that you access a digital newspaper or magazine today.